Welcome to All-in-One YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about how to use NGINX as proxy, reverse proxy and load balancer with TCP and UDP protocols. So, you can find all commands and configurations in the file in the description. Let's start our work. First let's install NGINX. First we need to get root access. Next install NGINX. Now we need to edit NGINX configuration file. First I will show TCP proxy and reverse proxy. You can find these configurations in the text file. TCP proxy and reverse proxy mean NGINX listen on port for TCP traffic and forward them to another port on same network or anywhere on internet. TCP traffic includes HTTP, WebSocket, HTTPS, TLS, SSL and many more. Most of traffic are in TCP. Let's see how to configure it. Here you need to type where traffic needs to forward. For IP, you need to type public IP address of your destination. For local connection, type localhost or 127.0.0.1. Next you need to type port number as port. This is port number of destination. This is port number for listening incoming TCP traffic. This is simple configuration that we need. This configuration sends incoming TCP traffic on port 678 to port 465 on 213.15.97.143 IP address. Next let's see UDP proxy and reverse proxy. NGINX listen for UDP traffic on port and forward them to port on local network or anywhere on internet. It's same configuration as TCP. Let's see. Here you need to type where traffic needs to forward. For IP, you need to type public IP address of your destination. For local connection, type localhost or 127.0.0.1. Next you need to type port number as port. This is port number of destination. This is port number for listening incoming UDP traffic. This is what we need. This configuration sent UDP traffic incoming from port 456 to port 577 on 213.15.97.143 IP address. Next let's see TCP and UDP load balancer. I will explain what is happening here. You can see port 657 is listening for TCP traffic and port 569 is listening for UDP traffic. Incoming TCP traffic will forward to two IP addresses. They are 213.15.97.143 and 213.15.97.146. NGINX choose suitable server. This is load balancing. For UDP traffic, it sends to 213.15.97.141 and 213.15.97.149. Only difference here is we use more than one destinations. So, choose what configuration method you need. For saving this, type Ctrl+X. Type Y and press Enter. Now you need to open port on firewall settings for incoming traffic. For opening port, use UFW or IP tables. After that, you need to restart NGINX service. Now NGINX is doing your work.